What's up, everybody? It's Kevin back with another video, and today I'm excited to show you this MG Moto gate. Now, I opened it a few minutes ago, literally just pulled the plastic off, and I realized I should make a video out of this because my daughter's she's at college already, but she came back to graduate at her high school and walk, so we're having her graduation party here at the house, and we have to go pick up tables and chairs and that kind of stuff. And the tables are 8 foot long and the bed's only 5.5 foot long. So I was thinking, man, I'm gonna have a problem actually getting this stuff to the house because I don't want it sliding out the back because the plastic tables, they just slide everywhere. So I got this for Christmas, was it last year? I think this past Christmas. And so I wanna give it a try. So we're gonna actually set it up and get it ready before we head over to get the tables, and then I'll show you kind of what it can do. So let's check it out. So here is the actual piece. Kind of fold it up like that. So you can see here that it has adjustable straps on the top and bottom, so both sides. So the truck has these little hooks right here on the bottom, and on the top it's got hooks, but they're not like the hooks, it's just what's in the wall. So I need to install these cleats that I got with my truck into the rail system. This is like, I'm guessing it goes in like this. Oh, that's easy. Oh, that was super easy. And now I'll have something to latch onto when I install the top where it has a nice strong grip. So here in a little bit, when I'm hauling my tables, I'll be able to bring it way out here. All right, so now we got to go pick up some tables. So there you have it. I actually got everything put together pretty nicely. Its sun is bright, but it hung in there really nicely. And what I like about this is that the top, you can tighten it to go over so that it secures it, and then it's tucked up underneath as well. And that way you can make sure nothing falls out. So I like it. It's not as tall as I thought it might be. Probably, I don't know what the actual dimensions are. I could look it up, but looks maybe like 16 to 20 inches. It's not quite 2 feet, but it holds quite a bit. I mean, if you're hauling anything longer than, you know, the bed of the truck with the tailgate down, this is nice to be able to secure it, not have to worry about it. So yeah, so that is the review of the MotoGate cargo net, and I'm pretty happy with it. So yeah, if you liked the video, give it a thumbs up, subscribe if you're into that, and we'll see you in the next one. Later.